Good morning. My topic is linguistic. So today we are going to see what is linguistic. So linguistic is the scientific study of language and it studies structure, meaning and usage. And importance of linguistic is help communication, language learning, translation and AI development. And what are the branches of linguistics? It means phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, pragmatics. And the phonetics we have study of speech, sound, and production and hearing of sound. Phonology we are having study of sound pattern and focus on stress and intonation. Morphology in study of word formation. Example unhappy, un plus happy. Syntax study of sentence structure, rule of sentence formation. And pragmatics we are having study of context, meaning changes based on situation. And the types of linguistic is theoretical, applied, sociolinguistic, psycholinguistic. And application we are having language teaching, translation, speeching therapy, artificial intelligence. And conclusion, linguistic help understand language deeply useful in many fields. Thank you.